Oh, alright.
Yes, and now it's the 3G.
Ah, okay.
Yes, but my mobile is not messing now. We try to fix 3G now, but I don't know when they will do that.
So it's not difficult to get
No.
calls here. Okay. Ah, yes, because the hotel also has internet access, so
Yes.
phone calls should not pose as a problem.
Before when we started, like 4 years ago, there's no signal there.
Ah, really?
No signal at
At
Only
all?
by-
So it's really a hideaway.
Yes, only by Thuraya phone, Thuraya phone.
Ah, okay.
Only
Yes,
that one.
yes. But
And-
Thuraya is very expensive.
Yes, very, very expensive.
Very expensive.
But like 2 or 3 only phone.
Yes.
Go to the many reservation, that's it.
Yes.
Maybe after like 6 months, they start to
Ah, okay.
get the signal from Oman Mobile. Oh no, everything is available, the road, marines.
Yes. And the weather is better now than 2 days ago.
Yes. The day
Now that we're leaving, the weather has become...
sun has come back.
Yes. So it's quite dangerous to drive here at night if you have guests arriving.
Night time,
Because there's no light.
no, yeah, but it's little bit. I mean, you will drive safe. You will drive slowly.
Ah, yes, of course.
And also, you can see the car.
Uh-huh.
You can see the car light. You know.
Yes, yes.
So, sometimes somebody they don't look to the mirror.
Yes, yes.
They just drive like this without to see the mirror. If you
Mhm.
if you are not ready, if you don't know, I mean, it will be like good. But night time it's good. I like to drive night time.
It's cool.
Yes. See the new house, it's built by government and the resort for the fisherman people.
It's government. It's
Yeah.
not by the resort.
No,
Ah, partner.
it's
It's a
a
partnership. Yes.
30 house here for the fisherman and 80 house for the mountainside people.
Ah, okay.
So they are happy now. Before no road, no signal. So the house was small, no job for them. Now they are working as a bit here in the resort.
So the resort buys the fish from them.
Yes, the catch of the day fish. It's from one of the fishermen. Early morning, every day is like around 6 or 7. Like he's bringing the fish.
But they sell some of the fish to the regular market. I mean, the other fishermen.
Yeah, yes, because it's too much,
Yes, the resort can only buy so much.
Yeah, just catch of the day.
Limited quantity only.
Tuna or raccoon or fish, hamon.
So that's a government vehicle? No. Ah.
No.
If it's a red plate, isn't it? If it's a red plate, it's a government
It's a
vehicle.
rental car or company car.
Ah,
The red
okay.
plate, it's belong to rental car or the company.
Okay.
Yes. Yellow one, it's a private people.
Okay.
White one, it's a government. The white.
Ah, so white one is
Yes,
government.
Government, police, ministry, all the.
So it's different from
Yes.
UAE. Yeah, UAE it's the
Yeah.
reverse. If it's a red plate, it's a government plate.
UAE, yes. Dubai especially, right?
Hmm.
Hukumat Dubai.
But this Land Cruiser is fairly new, ah. I mean, this Prado.
Yeah, this one is a
What did you use previously? This is quite a new model.
We start with the Land Rover.
Ah, okay.
The Land Rover.
Can we pause for a little bit? I just want to. Wait. Hold on. Okay, alright.
Okay.
Okay, yes. Thank you.
Okay, we start with Land Rover, Nissan Patrol together.